we're getting this thing ready to clean up. We've measured everything. It looks really good. It's going to turn out nice. We'll get all the gasket surfaces clean like new. It'll look like new. Looking a little different than it did. Okay, what we got here, we've got your new forged rods, but they're not perfect. And what we'll show you here is the 0 is your low, and then the red mark is your high. And you can see how that jumps over the high. So what we're going to have to do is basically recondition the rods. And we might have had to do that with the, with the other ones as well. So, yeah, and it jumps all the way. Yeah. So it goes about 3/10 over to right at. So anyway, so I'll send you that. Well, we're finishing up this 07 Wrangler 3.8. It's pulling. Yeah, it should be there. Let's check it out. See what we got. Looks good. We'll get it in the pressure washer, cleaned up, get the cam bearings in it, freeze plugs in it, get it on the engine stand, and he's got everything. Tommy's got everything fixed up over there, about ready to assemble, and he's gonna put her together. Okay, Tommy. So you got a Jeep here. It's an 07 3.8 out of a Wrangler. What kind of modifications have we done here? What exactly makes these things a little bit sturdier and so forth?
Well, the connecting rods they put in these, they put a powdered metal rod in there which is cracked, so you can't machine it to resize it. So we put in the heavy dutier, so if you will, connecting rod. It's a forged rod that's machinable and you can resize it.
Okay, so these have a tendency to egg shape really bad because they're weak, they're powdered metal. A forged rod's just stronger, right?
That is correct, yes.
Okay, maybe we can what the pistons are different, right?
Piston, the top ring land is a lot closer on this setup.
Okay.
The other ones, the actual ring is further down, gives you more crown thickness, a little bit more heat. Can take the heat a little bit more.
Okay. And basically it's the pistons and rods like out of basically the caravans, right?
Right, it's a caravan.
Okay.
If you can kind of tell, instead of a cap screw, you have a bolt and a nut.
Got ya.
But it is a forged rod.
Okay, so they're just a lot stronger and the pistons are a lot stronger. Okay. Alrighty, well, thanks, Tommy.
All right.